Good morning. Welcome back to Frack Daddy Barbecue. If this is your first time here, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know what we're doing. On today's video, we are going to be restoring a piece of cast iron that we picked up at a thrift store. So, we're also going to be reviewing a new product from Buzzywaxx. I also want y'all to stay tuned through the whole video because we have a special announcement of a giveaway. You have to watch the whole video to get the details. So, let's get this video started. As y'all can see, this piece of cast iron was neglected from its previous owner. And I'm gonna restore it to looking like brand new. So we're gonna be killing two birds with one stone. I'm gonna be putting my cast iron in the oven on clean mode to get it all clean because that thing cooks at a super hot temperature, and that's what you need to do this. I got this tip from an old cowboy friend of mine who said if you ever have some bad cast iron, throw it in your oven and put it on the clean mode. One last final look, and when we do put it in the oven, I'm gonna put it upside down. All right, and here, let's get started. As you can see, I think it's going to take 4 hours and 20 minutes to do this. Oh, lock the door. There we go.
Good night.
See you in 4 hours. Okay, so the oven is done cleaning. It's cooled off. Now we're going to take it out of the oven. We're going to show you what it looks like. Then we're going to take it over the sink and we're going to rinse it out. See how it looks. Oh man. It's basically bare metal.
Ooh, yikes.
It's horrible looking.
But that's what you want.
Exactly. So y'all see how it looks right there. Looks nasty and all kinds of crap. This is basically back to bare metal. All the original seasoning that was on there is now off. Okay, so I'm going to get some hot water going. And this will be the first and only time I will ever use soap on my cast iron. So I have done nothing but scrub it clean with a little bit of soap, water, and some elbow grease. Now we're going to preheat the oven to 300 or 250 to dry it all out. Alright, it's been about 25 to 30 minutes. Let's take it out of the oven. Look how clean and dry the cast iron is. That's exactly what you want. No water before you start to condition it. Okay, so you might be wondering, what are you going to use to condition your cast iron you just got? You might be thinking, am I going to use Crisco? What else is another one, Melissa?
Oil.
Okay, how about flaxseed?
Flaxseed oil, vegetable oil.
Yes, but
not bacon grease.
No. Okay, but you're all wrong. I'm going to be using a new product from Buzzywaxx. It's new to me. It has sunflower oil, extra virgin olive oil, and beeswax. So, I actually have another one right here. Melissa, you want to come get a close-up of this one? Canola oil, grapeseed oil, and beeswax. You're asking, how do you know this is going to work? Well, let me show you. Yesterday, we used this on a test run. This thing was just about the same condition as this one. Look how beautiful and seasoned this is. So what we need is a clean cloth and our oil. We're going to put some on this rag. It may not look like you have much on here. See what I mean? Look at that. So let's apply a thin coat. I'll tell you why you might want to invest into this. This has all of your best oils that you could possibly think of for your cast iron care. And wax, which will add a very nice protection to your cast iron to make it last a very long time. Flip it over and do the back side.
Oh yeah, it looks thirsty.
Yeah, it does. Don't worry, old girl. We'll bring you back to life. May take a couple coats, but we'll do it. Do you guys see that tin right there that's kind of etched in or stamped in? Can anybody tell me if this is an unmarked Griswold or what kind of piece of cast iron this is? Because I have no clue. I just saw that it was an old piece of cast iron and needed some love. So when you place this back in the oven, you want to put it upside down, and then we're going to turn the heat up to 500 degrees for 1 hour. Okay, so I want to show you something. We did that one piece that I showed y'all. We did 3 coats of oil on it. And as you can see, we barely used any of this Buzzywaxx. I tell you what, a little bit goes a very, very long way. You know, you could even probably use it as lip gloss.
But it might not be recommended.
It's all natural, so why not? Since we have an hour to kill, let me tell you a little bit about what's going on. Buzzywaxx reached out to Frack Daddy Barbecue to sponsor 2 giveaways. One on my YouTube, one on my Instagram. So, let me tell you how you enter to win on YouTube. So, you must be a subscriber to Frack Daddy Barbecue, then you must comment, and you must put in your comment what you're going to do with your Buzzywaxx and then hashtag Buzzywaxx to be entered. Then, go over to my Instagram page if you want a double chance to win. You must follow Frack Daddy Barbecue. Then you must also follow Buzzywaxx. And then you must tag 3 friends in the comments to be entered in that one. So, let me show you what we're going to give away. The green is for my YouTube channel. The orange is for the Instagram. Now, the rules will be in the description box in the YouTube channel for this giveaway, and the rules will be on my Instagram page for this giveaway. Now, I just want to say a big thank you to Buzzywaxx for sponsoring this giveaway. I cannot be more happier to do this because this is such a great product, and I am going to continue to use this. Alright, so it's been 1 hour. Let's take it out of the oven and see how it looks. That's 1 coat of seasoning. I'm thinking at least 2 more coats. Okay, so on this part, you guys need to please be careful doing this because you need to remember this is probably over 500 degrees right now. And this is our 2nd coat. What do you think, Melissa? 1 more coat?
Yep. I think it needs it.
Watch your hands, please.
I am. I can definitely feel the heat radiating.
Okay, guys, it is finally out of the oven for the 3rd time. Melissa, will you please insert a picture to remind people of how it looked?
Alright, inserting picture.
Let's take a look at this piece of cast iron now. Look how beautiful it is.
Turn it at a slight angle so we can see. Oh, wow. And it only took literally all day.
Literally all day.
Started at
9:50 in the morning, and it is now...
Oh, wait. I'll go down.
6:16 in the evening. Luckily, I'm staying up all night. So, Buzzywaxx, you got Frack Daddy approval. But, let's give it the final test, the egg test. Let's add just a little bit of bacon grease. I feel like you should always have bacon grease on hand.
Oh, yeah. Now, in the camera, it does show up a little...
funky.
Brownish. But it is not like that in real life.
Alright. Let's put this egg in.
I hope you survive. I think it will.
I I have a good feeling about this seasoning that it surely will.
While we're waiting, I hope that this guy gets to join his other cast iron friends and family.
I guess you could say I have a cast iron addiction.
Yeah.
That's not all of them.
Exactly. There's
That's
more.
just...
The ones we use more often than none.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Let's just give her a little test.
Oh, okay.
Alright. Well, the yolk broke, but oh well, this is going to Louie.
Oh. Well,
I'm pretty impressed.
for something that was literally just rust this morning.
And honestly, who knows the last time that this cast iron was even cooked on? I mean, you saw how it looked. Now you see how it looks. Remember, the more you cook on it, the more you oil it, the better off it will get. Alright, now the true test will be to see how easy the stuck-on egg will come off with just a little bit of hot water. Alright guys, now be careful with this part. You're going to get a lot of steam. I want to keep y'all in suspense.
I know. This is real
Okay.
time, no cuts.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Bam. Look at that. I mean, you can see where it cooked, but
That's natural.
just a little bit of oil
Ooh,
after
close.
a little bit of oil after you're done cooking. Gonna look like new. Alright, let's just show it a little bit of love like we did earlier. A little bit of wax. Buzzywaxx, put it in here. So, I just want to say a big thank you to Buzzywaxx for sponsoring this video, and also thank you for watching Frack Daddy Barbecue. And remember, one of my lucky winners on YouTube and Instagram have a chance at winning this. So please follow the directions for each rules is YouTube, Instagram. So thank you once again. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and don't forget, go like Buzzywaxx on Instagram and on Facebook. Appreciate you guys watching this how-to step-by-step video. Restore some cast iron. Louie! Louie, come here! Look! Your favorite!
Yay!